The Velodrome Maspes Vigorelli is a sports in Milan dedicated to cycling on the track and American football. In this velodrome now playing two teams of Milan American football. The Vigorelli Velodrome was built in 1935 following the demolition of the antiquated Sempione Velodrome in order to remove the used cycling in the Sports Palace of 6th February Square that has an indoor track cycling removable. The museum opened on 28 October of the same year with the sponsorship of Gazzetta dello Sport. Giuseppe Vigorelli had the idea to build a velodrome semi-covered. The Vigorelli becomes, from the beginning, scene of the important racing. In 1939 he hosted the Cycling World Championship and, in 1942, Fausto Coppi established a new record time. The track was destroyed during the bombing of the Second World War in 1943 and rebuilt in 1946. After the war, the velodrome also hosted non-sporting events, like the Beatles concert in 1965. The snowfall of 1985 caused the decline of the plant, which was closed permanently in 1988 to reopen later in 1997. The central lawn, now covered with artificial grass, can accommodate matches of American football, soccer, field hockey, and finally, in September 1998, hosted again a cycling race. At the beginning of the July 2008 was chosen by the city of Milan as the temporary place of a mosque. Now, the city of Milan has started a project of develop the velodrome to return to old glory.